How to enable or disable add new apps to home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on home screen. Next, we then scroll down. Now in here, you want to tap on add new apps to home screen. Tap on the toggle button to allow this feature. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. If you turn this on, when you install a new app, it will automatically add to the app screen, and also it will add the apps shortcut to the home screen as well. So depending on whether you want to have one on the home screen and one in the app screen, or simply just have them all located in the app screen, then you can switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.